Alright, so this is the best hardware wallet in my opinion. It's the Tangem hardware wallet. It's the 3-card set. In this video we're going to unbox it. We're going to do a giveaway as well. This is how it looks. So it's just a card and it's amazing. Let's go. Alright, so this is the Tangem wallet and today we are going to unbox it. This is the 3-card set. So let's see what's inside this box. It's sealed, so that means it's secure. And then when you open up the box, the first thing you see is this Tangem wallet. We've got 1, 2, 3 cards, which is great because we've got our original one, we've got a backup one, and then we've got one to restore everything if needed. All right, getting started. Let's see what it says. Tangem is a next generation, you might not be able to see it, but Tangem is a next generation hardware wallet that enables easy and secure purchase, storage, selling and swapping of crypto. Install the Tangem app, scan any of the cards to activate your wallet and link the other cards, which provides you with the flexibility to manage your assets using any of them. And the great thing about this is high security, but even better, it's battery free. So that means you don't have to worry about a dying battery over time. It gives you the QR code to download the Tangem app, so that's what I'm going to do. And then we need to tap the card to the phone to set up the wallet, open up the app and tap the card against your phone, follow the instructions on the screen. So I'm grabbing my phone, going to download the QR link. It's going to take me to the Google Play Store, Tangem Crypto Wallet. Let's install it. And once it's installed, I'm going to open up the app. All right, meet Tangem, scan card, order card. Let's see what else it says. Revolutionary hardware wallet. Store your crypto assets secure while keeping your private keys contained in your card. Ultra secure backup, up to 3 physical cards to 1 wallet. Thousands of currencies, a hardware wallet for your Bitcoin, Ethereum and many more currencies simultaneously, all in one card. Web 3.0 compatible, exchange, buy NFTs, make loans and deposits in more than 100 different decentralized services. And then the final one, the wallet for everyone. Use it on the go, anywhere, anytime, no wires or batteries, just tap the card to your phone when you need your crypto. Let's go to scan card. And for this, I'm actually going to remove my case because this case has got a metal plate and that prevents the NFC from working. So I'm going to take it out and then tap the card as shown above and hold until the end of the operation. Success. We've got a terms of services, legal disclaimer, everything there. I'm going to accept it. Generate keys privately. Your keys will be securely generated inside the card. There's no seed phrase, which means nobody can export or steal it. We've got create wallet and other options. Let's see what happens if I click other options. It's got a legacy. A seed phrase is a series of words that allow you to recover your wallet, unlike the keys generated by the card. Seed phrases are unprotected and can be copied and stolen. Use this option at your own risk. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hit back and I'm just going to click create wallet. To create the wallet, tap the card as shown above and do not remove until the end of the operation. You can back up your keys to 2 other blank Tangem wallet cards. I'm going to back up one of them since I've got 2 more cards. So I'm going to click backup now. No backup cards. To start the backup process, add up to 2 backup cards. Add a backup card, going to place it behind the phone. We've got 1 backup card added. And now you can add 1 more card or finalize the backup process. I'm going to use my 3rd one as well. Add up a backup card, place it behind the telephone. And now we've got 2 backup cards added. Maximum number of cards added, finalize the backup process. And then it says create an access code. You have to set up a single access code to protect all your wallets. You can set up an individual access code on each card later, and the access code can be stored with a linked card. Don't keep your cards all in one place. Let's continue. And then it says choose any word, phrase or number you want as your access code. And then once you've entered it, you need to enter it again. And then it says prepare the primary card with number X. And then I'm just going to use that card because it was the first card that I've used. So I'm going to use that one. Scan the primary card, place it on the back, and now it's counting backwards. So I'll need to wait till this is done. Then it tells me to scan up the backup card, and then the second one. Success, your wallet is configured and ready for use. All right, continue to my wallet. And would you like to use biometrics to access the app? I'm going to allow to use it. And this is the wallet. I've got nothing in it, as you can see, because we've just set it up, but it's as easy as can be. And then if we want to add something, we can go to manage tokens, and then we can just click a drop down menu and we can have something activated or deactivated. So you can search here, you can use the search menu to search for a coin, and then you can add it if it isn't added already. So let's add Dogecoin, for instance. Save changes, ready to scan. Now I've got to scan my card. I'm going to scan it, success, and now it's added over here. And then we've got these three dots that will take you to a menu like add new wallet, card settings, app settings, and so on. Referral program, and we can organize the tokens by dragging them around if we want a different order of them. And it's as easy as that. And that's it. And stay tuned, subscribe to my channel to find out all about the Tangem hardware wallet in the next video. See you next time. Doei!